Let's get into some number talks.
What are some of the ways we can show 7? If I were reading a book,
I might use words to show the number 7. Seven. Or to use picture math to help me make 7. I could do,
let's try 7 smiley faces. That's gonna be fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 4 here, plus 3 here. That all together equals 7. Let's tie a tens frame. Here we go. And get our lines. Break it in half and count by 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's start filling it in with 7.
Let's use 7 stars. 1, 2. Uh-oh, that's a little too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 5 plus 2 equals 7.
Great job. Let's keep going.
Let's try some tally marks. I think I'll use my pretty pen. Let's try 7 tally marks. 1. Uh-oh, that was not what I wanted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Your job now is to think of some other ways that you could show 7. Draw it on a piece of paper with a pencil or using your whiteboard and your marker.
Take a picture and put it in CTLS Learn. Great job, students!